Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download and set up TikTok Live Studio on your PC. This is a great option if you want to start live streaming directly from your computer without needing any third-party software. The process is simple and only takes a few minutes, so let's get right into it. To begin, open any web browser on your computer and search for TikTok Live Studio. From the search results, click on the official website that mentions downloading Live Studio. Once you're on the download page, select the red Download for Windows button. After the file finishes downloading, open your browser's Downloads section and run the installer. When the setup window appears, click Install Now and wait while the program installs. Once the installation is complete, click Open to launch TikTok Live Studio. The first time you open it, you'll be asked to log in to your TikTok account. You can sign in using your username and password or quickly log in by scanning the QR code with the TikTok app on your phone. After logging in, just follow the on-screen instructions and your TikTok Live Studio will be ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and set up TikTok Live Studio on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.